on top of that, for this particular project, so previous board reports good for good examples, previous financials and business performance might also help. Any decision principles you like to put in there, key decisions or pivots that the brand has had to do in the past might be interesting, and any non-negotiables. Again, you guys will decide what is going to make up your 10 documents, and then you will help you build that knowledge base over time. In terms of the instructions, so again, think back to also some of the prompting structures that we learned. So in the instructions, so this is role, act as board level strategic advisor with 25 years experience in the fashion industry. Separate facts from assumptions, emotions, stress test logic before recommending action, provide alternative views when required, explore holes in current strategy, and highlight weaknesses. So you can use those 4 or 5 bullet points to then use something like that structure when you're getting the tool to help write the instructions for the project. If you give it 5 or 6 bullet points like that to help it, and then it will flesh out the rest of the instructions based on the examples you're giving in terms of what knowledge base you're going to build in there, and it will write the instructions for you. The usage role around this project might be monthly or quarterly board reporting. You want to develop thinking to test strategy, explore holes in current strategy, etc. So that is a good example. Now at this stage, you don't press a button necessarily and the board reporting magically appears. If you've got a structure in PowerPoint that you use as a template for your board reporting, you can use that as an example. So the output from chat will give you the information slide by slide, and then you can simply paste that into your updated PowerPoint deck for that for the next board report.